Linking your bank account to Cash App is a quick process. Let's walk through it together in a few easy steps. First, open the Cash App on your smartphone. The app's interface is intuitive and user-friendly. Tap on the profile icon located at the top left corner. This is your gateway to account settings. Select linked accounts to begin adding your bank account. You'll see several options available. Next, choose Add Bank. Input your bank's name and your account details securely. Lastly, verify your information. A confirmation will ensure your account is linked successfully. Congratulations! You're all set. Now you can easily send and receive money through Cash App. Remember, if you encounter any issues, the Cash App support section is readily available for assistance. Keep your app updated for the best experience with security and features. Regular updates mean better performance. Explore Cash App's other features, like investing and direct deposits, to maximize your financial management. Thanks for watching. Remember, linking your bank account is just the start of your Cash App journey. Start exploring today and take control of your finances like never before.